How to share your Pinterest account to TikTok. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to share your Pinterest account to your TikTok account with friends or whatever. So let's start. First thing you do, you go to Pinterest and then you should go to your profile here, as you can see. Now click on this icon here that says share. Now you have the option to share it to Facebook or WhatsApp or Messenger or Gmail, but we don't have TikTok here. To find TikTok, you should click more and you will find it here, and then share it easy and fast. And that's it for today's video guys. Don't forget like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much for watching.